Counting the unaccounted, a staggering 351 crore rupees in cash has been seized thus far. The highest single action recovery by the Income Tax Department. These confiscations transpired during a 5-day relentless search at an Orissa-based distillery, owned by the family of Congress MP Dheeraj Prasad Sahu. The Income Tax Department conducted a raid on Board Distillery Private Limited, its promoters and associates on December 6, suspecting tax evasion, undisclosed transactions stemming from the sale of country liquor by the business group and its distributors and others. A team of 200 officials, including security personnel and support staff, participated in raids at multiple locations in Orissa. Cupboards crammed with banknotes were opened. Around 200 bags and trunks used to transport the seized cash to various banks in Orissa. The recoveries from locations associated with the Congress's Rajya Sabha member from Jharkhand, who identifies himself as a political and social worker and industrialist, have sparked a political uproar. The BJP staged a protest to corner the Congress. Party chief JP Nadda demanded an explanation from the Gandhis regarding the substantial haul.
बार-बार IT, ED एजेंसीज इन पर आरोप लगाते रहे हैं। आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी, कांग्रेस पार्टी और स्पष्ट रूप में राहुल गांधी से पूछना चाहती है कि धीरज साहू के ठिकानों से निकला हुआ काला धन, उस पर उनको क्या कहना है?
Congress distanced itself from Sahu's business activities and advised him to disclose the source of the seized banknotes. The BJP has been unyielding, hinting at a Gandhi link with the cash seizure. Home Minister Amit Shah challenged Congress allies to speak up.
कांग्रेस का मौन तो हमें समझ में आता है, क्योंकि इनकी फितरत ही भ्रष्टाचार की है। परंतु चाहे तृणमूल कांग्रेस हो, चाहे जेडीयू हो, चाहे आरजेडी हो, ये सारे दल डीएमके सहित चुप बैठे हैं। सपा भी चुप बैठी है, कोई रिएक्शन नहीं। अब मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि मोदी जी के खिलाफ ये जो एक प्रचार अभियान चला कि एजेंसियों का दुरुपयोग हुआ है, वो क्यों चलाया गया? क्योंकि इनके जहन में एक डर था कि हमारे करप्शन के सारे कच्चे चिट्ठे खुल जाएंगे।
The Samajwadi Party, on the other hand, alleged that the cash recoveries reflected the failure of demonetization, which purportedly aimed at curbing unaccounted wealth. Meanwhile, the counting of notes from the massive seizures continue through both manpower and machine. Pressure mounts on Congress, which staunchly opposes corruption-related raids as political witch hunt. As of now, no statement has been issued by the 68-year-old Rajya Sabha member. Bureau Report, India Today.